Best life insurance companies of 2021. Life insurance is essential if you have anyone in your life who depends on your income. Unfortunately, many people don't have the right type of coverage or the right amount. About half of all U.S. households have less life insurance than they should, according to the Life Insurance Marketing and Research Association. A separate study by employee benefits provider Unum finds that about a third of all households will be financially strained within the first month of losing a breadwinner. The good news is that life insurance doesn't cost as much as you might think it does. Some people even estimate that life insurance costs up to 5 times as much as it actually does, reports the Insurance Information Institute. We make the process of shopping for life insurance as easy as possible by doing the research for you and rating the top life insurance companies. Best life insurance companies of 2021. Northwestern Mutual, our top-rated insurance company. Northwestern Mutual has more than 160 years of experience in the financial services industry and offers a traditional approach to life insurance. Northwestern Mutual offers a variety of coverage options and a low-tech but personalized method of determining coverage needs, and its financial advisors are available to help customers through the process. Learn more in our Northwestern Mutual review. Haven Life. Haven Life Insurance Company offers only term life insurance policies and utilizes an online application process without personal interaction with a traditional agent. While a relatively new player in the insurance business, it's backed by the well-established Mass Mutual. Haven Life aims to offer affordable, easy-to-manage term life insurance policies online, without the usual hassles of insurance shopping. Learn more in our Haven Life review. State Farm, our number 3 life insurance company. State Farm has almost 100 years of experience and offers a wide variety of different types of insurance in addition to term, whole, and universal life insurance options. State Farm also offers discounts for customers who purchase multiple insurance policies. Learn more in our State Farm review. How to choose the best life insurance company. When buying something as important and long-term as a life insurance policy, it is important to do your research. Think of it as being similar to purchasing a home, in that you are paying for something that will be part of your life for years to come. As you would perform due diligence before buying your home, you should do the same with life insurance. Follow these tips to make sure the life insurance company you are considering is a sound business that will flourish decades into the future. Policy types. Not all life insurance companies offer every type of policy. Rather than choosing the wrong type of policy because you like the company, start with a company that sells the kind of insurance that best fits your needs. We break down the differences between the types of life insurance and give a brief definition of other terms in our section below on types of life insurance policies, policy options, and add-ons. Other important considerations when buying a policy include the amount of the premium, choices of premium payment arrangements, selections for term periods for a term life policy, and the rate of return on the cash value for a universal or whole life policy. Start off on the right foot by getting a firm understanding of what each of these terms means. See our types of life insurance policies section below for more information. Company size. All else being equal, companies that hold the most assets are likely to be the most solvent and therefore are less likely to run into financial trouble and possibly leave you or your loved ones holding a worthless policy. In addition, if you need a jumbo policy with a high payout, a large insurance company will probably be more willing to back it. Potential advantages of using a smaller life insurance company include more personalized customer service and a more congenial atmosphere. Types of life insurance policies. One of the major barriers to understanding life insurance can be the jargon. Terms like indexed universal life insurance and whole life insurance can seem a bit unclear. To make understanding life insurance easier, we define some of the topics, unique words, and phrases. We go more in-depth on these in our How Does Life Insurance Work? And How to Buy a Life Insurance guides. Permanent life insurance, a category of long-term coverage that includes whole life and universal life policy types. These are more expensive than the term but offer more benefits. This category is sometimes called cash value life insurance because of the savings, like a cash value account that's built into the policy. Whole life insurance, a type of permanent policy that has consistent premiums and guaranteed accumulation of cash value. This policy type may be eligible for dividends from a mutual company and typically is expensive. See our whole life insurance guide for more information. Universal life insurance, a type of permanent coverage that builds cash value. It's frequently offered with flexible premiums, although those premiums affect the cash value and death benefit. Find out more in our Universal Life Insurance Guide. Index Universal Life Insurance, a universal life policy that accumulates cash value based on the performance of a specific market index. Indexed Universal Life Insurance, a universal life policy that accumulates cash value based on the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. This type of policy is typically less expensive and less risky than a variable policy because there is no actual investment in an index. Variable life insurance, a type of permanent policy that ties cash value to a number of investment options. These options may be based on whole life or universal life coverage. Term life insurance, a life insurance policy that covers the policyholder for a predetermined length of time, typically ranging from 5 to 30 years. When the term ends, there is no benefit to the policy. Though no cash value accumulates, the premiums for term life policies are usually substantially lower than premiums for permanent life policies. Learn more in our Term Life Insurance Guide. No exam life insurance, a life insurance policy that doesn't require a medical exam, thus speeding up the approval process. We explain this specialized policy further in our Guide on Life Insurance with No Exam. Death benefit, the money that the life insurance company pays your beneficiaries after your death. This is often a tax-free payment that can be paid as a lump sum or in installments, depending on your policy, and is usually only distributed if your premiums are paid up. You typically select the amount of the death benefit, also called your coverage level, when you apply for a policy, though some policies allow you to later change this amount. Cash value, a portion of your premium that the life insurance company sets aside in a separate account after paying administrative fees and other expenses. In general, this money grows tax-deferred based on a fixed rate, a market index, or other investments. Only permanent life policies have a cash value component. How much life insurance do I need? Determining the right amount of life insurance coverage requires balancing how much money your beneficiaries may need with a premium payment you can afford. Here are the questions you need to ask yourself first. Who is currently depending on your income? Make a list of the people depending on your income. They could include a spouse, children, aging parents, or business partners. How long will they rely on your income? The answer to this question often dictates if a term or permanent policy is best for you. Keep in mind that, in general, children become self-sufficient after college, and a spouse may no longer need supplemental income after they begin using funds in retirement accounts. What large expenses do you want to pay for with life insurance proceeds? Common expenditures include paying off the mortgage on the family home, sending a child to college, or helping with a child's wedding. What other debts do you want to cover? Some debts held in your name may disappear after your death, but you may want to pay off debts jointly held with your spouse, or estate taxes that your heirs may owe. What end-of-life costs do you want to pay for? This may include funeral expenses or medical bills for an extended illness. What assets do you currently have? The amount and type of assets you have will help determine what level of coverage you will need. Do an inventory of assets like cash accounts, real estate, investment accounts, other life insurance policies, and retirement accounts. These are all assets that could help support your beneficiaries. What is life insurance, and how does it work? Ask most people what life insurance is, and they'll tell you it's a policy you buy that pays money to your family if you pass away. Ask them to explain key policy features, the different kinds of policies available, how they work, and they'll probably try to change the subject. What is life insurance? But if you're looking for life insurance, those things are important. This video will help answer your following questions. What are the key features of a life insurance policy? How do different kinds of life insurance policies work? What are the benefits of life insurance at different stages of life? FAQ about life insurance. Each life insurance policy is different, and each state's laws regulating insurance policies are different. Before purchasing a life insurance policy, you should consult with a life insurance professional. It may also be a good idea to consult with your legal or tax advisor